because I checked the sound quality and I liked it. It's good, understandable, clear. It's not like the 100% best of the best, but it's still good sound quality compared to my other tests I did, and which I failed in miserably. But now I think it's all good. It's a go. Let me crack open this visor a little bit. There you go. That should change the sound, because you see, when you got the visor shut down completely, I think it creates more of a echo inside. Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, because it does amplify the sound a bit. But now I've got wind gushing in. Let me bring it back down. Yeah. So let's see how this does. But I'd love to know how these other motor vloggers are doing it, and they have an open face helmet and sound is just good. I'm sure they must be doing something in post edit, because there's no way you can get that sound quality with an open face helmet and the mic on your chin strap. No way. Bare stock out the box like that, I doubt it. I completely doubt it. So we'll see. Yeah, which reminds me, I need to change out this visor. This clear visor is doing my head in. I prefer the blacked out visor because I can see far much better than what I'm seeing right now to the clear vision. I don't know why. I don't know what the problem is. Something strange with me, I don't know. Yeah, so I think it's all about the right speed, because if you have it anything from 60 below, your sound quality is going to be good no matter what mic you use. I think the ultimate test is when you go above 60. That's where the mics should be tested, and I think that's where they should create or build a mic that can take those higher speeds, because I'm sure there must be skydivers or things like that that need it as well to do the same thing, right? So it's not just motovlog, but when you have a dedicated mic for motovlogs, you'll be fine. Yes, how we doing? Drop it back down to 60. That was at 70. I'm sure there must have been some wind noise there. Yeah, traffic. Oh my god. What did I do to myself right now? I should avoid this. A lot of traffic. Oh, by the way, I have the DJI Osmo Action 6 on super night mode because I didn't want it to lose quality as the night sets. Soon the sun sets on its way, and I don't want to lose the footage quality as visuals. So let's see. I tell you, this engine noise, sound, everything about it just keeps makes me alive. Yeah, I feel so alive, you see. I need to switch over the camera position because it must be a boring position to look at, just me. But actually, hold on, I think I have the X5, right? So I can always change it out in the edit part. So yeah, just leave it as is at the moment. It's not doing any harm. But it'd be nice to be on the helmet, right? You can get a different point of view. Me behind bars. Yeah. Don't even think about it. I've got to crack open the window for a bit. I've got to crack open the visor for a bit. Not window. I'm telling you, my brain is not at its best today. No matter what I do, what I try is not its best. Yeah, so I'm just testing the wind coming through the helmet, through the visor area to see if there's any difference. So that's what I'm doing, testing for the best audio quality. Yeah, coming in my, hold on a minute, I've got this, there you go, that's better. At least that'll take care of the elements that are coming into my, it's making this weird whistling noise. That's not going to work. Otherwise you'd be hearing ooh, like I'm hearing. The last thing you want is somebody to be annoying you while you're listening. I do apologize. Yeah. So this video is all about me testing the DJI Osmo Action 6 paired up with the DJI Mic 3 and the Insta360 X5 paired up with the Mic Air. So let's see how good this Mic Air is for motor vlogs, because it's good for daily vlogs and so forth, but for motor vlogs, we're going to find out today. But I have previously tested it on one of my videos and I liked it a lot, so it could be a fluke, it could be just one of those times where I was just lucky. But today we're going to find out. Oh yes, is it a go or is it a fail? Who knows? Let's see.